Hello guys, my name is Ryan Justin F. Agay from Puerto Galera, Oriental, Mindoro. I'm 21.
Guys, this is my hobby. My favorite sports is taekwondo. Do you see the video? If you look at me, I kick you outside. And this is my bebe, you know? Yeah. And this is my favorite food. Yan. Tsaka ito. At syempre, mabadikan ko kayo paano magluto. And this is my drink. And then, sa pagtitimpla ng mga alak, syempre, sinasabi ng iba na mangingitom ako, pero hindi naman. Charis! Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Thank you guys!